This is from Jennifer D on Facebook. What do you do with all the oil after you shallow fry food? Do you use it only once and then discard?
There is a thing called hard oil, and it's a environmentally safe product that you add to oil. It's a powder that comes in little satchels, and you pour that in, and it solidifies it so you can discard it safely. It's a great product.
Yeah, it coagulates the oil.
It coagulates everything.
And then you just peel it out like a candle right out of the pan.
Right. Yeah, don't pour boiling hot oil down your kitchen sink.
And don't
Bad idea.
But don't reuse the old oil.
No, no, definitely not. In restaurants, they usually have a pickup service because they have vats of oil.
And they have to change it like once a
right,
day.
and then it gets recycled.
Right. But they have huge fry laters.
Those are huge bins and things, and some of that turns into fuel actually.
Yeah.